Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. I want to show you a product that me and my team at Forscher Customs have been working on. It's a seat cowl with a luggage rack for the Scrambler 400X. If you like a clean single seat look but still want practicality, this is exactly that. It gives your bike a much sharper look. Right now, this is a prototype that we are testing, refining and making sure it works properly in real riding conditions. The main idea was to keep the bike super clean. You take off the rear seat and put this on, you get that proper single-seater scrambler look on the motorcycle. It looks more focused, more premium and just overall cleaner. But it's not just about looks. The top rack lets you actually carry luggage, small bags, tools, or essentials for small trips. So you're not sacrificing usability. So under this cowl, there is a steel spine that actually holds all the weight. So it's designed to carry almost 5 to 8 kgs of luggage on top of this rack. It's strong enough for real use, not just light stuff. There will be two options for this. One version comes with a metal plate you see here, and the second version will be just a cowl for people who already have a luggage rack. You can directly bolt your existing rack onto this. Simple and flexible. This is super easy to swap with your rear seat. No tools, no screws, no unbolting. Just remove the seat and clip this on. This is perfect for solo riders. If you rarely carry a pillion and want your bike to look better, while still being practical, this setup just makes sense. Since it's a prototype, I'm testing it with actual rides, checking strength, fitment, and long-term durability before finalizing it. So yeah, this rack is super easy to use, it looks super clean, and it's super easy to swap. That's the idea behind it. I'm using the Viaterra 6-liter waterproof tailbag that mounts securely right on top, giving you a practical storage without ruining the bike's clean looks. Wallets, tools, camera gears, everything stays protected from the elements. It's compact, waterproof, and complements the cowl exactly the way I intended. Let me know what you think about this concept and I'll keep you updated as this moves closer to the final version.